On the Review tab in PowerPoint, there's a command called Check Accessibility. I'll click the left portion of that command, and it opens up the Accessibility tab as well as an accessibility pane on the right. And in that pane, it's analyzed my presentation, and it shows me that I have an error on one of my slides. If I click here, it tells me it's slide 6, and it also has a reading order problem on slide 6. And toward the bottom of the pane, it has additional information to help me fix any accessibility issues. If you have any pictures or graphics on your slide, you should apply alt text to them. That way the screen reader can describe the image. So I'll select this picture and then I'll click alt text. And then notice I don't have any description. I can type it in myself, or I can click this button and let PowerPoint generate the alt text for me. And if you'd like some more ideas on how to make your presentation more accessible, click Accessibility Help.